Hi, I'm Mick Cox from Brisbane, Australia, and this is a diagram of our sun star with its rotating magnetic lines that span 20,000 billion kilometres across our solar system. And this is an ascending line diagram above here that shows the planets in an ascending line away from the sun. The 4 metallic planets, 4 magnetic lines, 4 giant gas planets, 4 magnetic lines, 4 dwarf planets, 4 magnetic lines, and science says we have a 5th dwarf planet that rotates or moves in and out of the solar system next door, and it most probably belongs there in accordance to this diagram. I found this diagram 20 years ago in a giant atlas in the State Library.
From this live diagram of our sun star's rotating magnetic lines, I'm going to precisely describe within about a minute how our sun star and all sun stars were created that exist throughout the entire universe. Our sun star's rotating radius magnetic lines span 20,000 billion kilometres across our solar system and beyond. Billions and maybe trillions of sun stars exist in this identical reactive manner. Our neighbouring solar systems are hundreds of times bigger than ours, just next to us, each with a centre gas ball of atoms and invisible rotating magnetic lines. Sun star A and sun star B each projected a single magnetic line here every 3 months into our once empty solar system, where the lines crossed over and created a magnetic field energy that existed within a frequency that was in resonance with the gas atoms which accumulated there and eventually ignited. Our early scientists said that when magnetic lines crossed over, they created a magnetic pump which heats gases to 1 million degrees. But in space, where our sun star exists at 5,600 degrees Celsius, it's a controlled burn for at least 3 reasons. Largely due to no oxygen, the short supply of gas atoms, and extreme sub-zero space temperatures which exist today at minus 300 degrees Celsius. And before our sun star existed, it may have been minus 1,000 degrees Celsius or even minus 2,000 degrees Celsius.
And I'll draw that diagram now and talk about some other particulars before we go any further. But these magnetic lines are curved due to the velocity of the centre gas ball. And another fact is that our Earth is blue, Mars is red, Jupiter is orange, Saturn is yellow, Uranus is purple, and Neptune is the 2nd blue planet. We're going to look at the fact that the planets were created along these magnetic lines soon in a very similar way that frequencies or colours are developed, created in a rainbow. So let's go now and we'll have a look, without these words on here, at our sun star diagram, the original diagram, the ascending line diagram, without this other writing there, and I'm going to draw right here what our sun star would look like if we slowed down the velocity of the centre gas ball as our sun star would have been at some stage with a slower speed to the velocity of the centre gas ball. We'll have a look at that now.